Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to use Canva AI video generator in 2025 and how can you easily create text to video. So I hope you will watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our Canva platform and we have a pro version, so you can do it by your free version as well also. So creating a Canva account is really simple and easy. First of all, let's go into the incognito window and search for Canva, and let's talk about it. So as you can see, this is the interface of Canva when you are new and you are visiting that place. So here you can see a perfect fit for everyone. You can allow to use Canva free. If you want to use Canva Pro, then this version will be benefited for you. If you want to use for Canva for your team, then this one is perfect for you. So as you can see, when we are going to scroll down, we are getting the features and other stuff in that place. And as you can see, almost 95% of Fortune 500 are using Canva. So I hope you understand Canva is how essential for individual or freelancer. So the process to creating account is really simple. You just need to be create or click over that place, sign up, and you will get allowed to create an account. Here you can see you can create an account with personal or work email, or you can create account with Google. It's totally up to you how you are going to create an account. Also they support Facebook, and also the main thing, they also support other platform like Microsoft, Clever, then Apple, and many more. I hope this will be benefited for you. In fact, when you will completed your account in Canva, then you will get this kind of an interface. This is the home, and this will be interface like mine. And then you just need to be choose a platform, like choose a site where you want to design. Like if you are making a video on for YouTube, then you need to be size or recheck a site that match with YouTube aspect ratio. If you want to make a video for Facebook, then you need to be think differently. Like here you can see, if I check over that place, here we already get some template, free template over that place. Here if you search for Facebook, then you will get Facebook size over that place. Here you can see Facebook story, Facebook video, Facebook profile picture, whatever you want related to Facebook, you are allowed to find it here. And if you want to find out anything for YouTube, then you just need to be mentioned that YouTube in the search box, and you will get this banner ad, YouTube ad, portrait, landscape, and shorts. Also the video chapter also included in this option. So I am going to make a video on YouTube video background, so I am going to choose this one. Just click over here. This is really simple. If you want to, and let me mention it, if you want to make a custom size, then just go over that place, custom size, and you just need to be fulfill your width and height, and you can check out it by inches, millimeters, centimeter, whatever you want, and just click on create new design. I hope you understand how easy the process was. I hope you will do it by your own now after watching this video. So let's dive into the main task. Now you can see this is our YouTube aspect ratio, and here I am going to name it YouTube AI generator. Okay, done. And now I am going to create a video over that place. So that for reason I am going to click on Magic Media. So here you can see Magic Media. So first of all, you need to understand what is Magic Media. Magic Media is mean by like you can create, like you can see that creating, compiling image, graphic, and videos from simple description and even prompt generated image into videos. So I hope you understand what is the Magic Media. You just need to be click over here, and now here you can give any 5 words to describe and you will get similar design. So if I talk about the video one, so video has some restriction, like AI video is generating is not available for some particular country or account type. So if you want to use only videos for your Canva, then you need to be find out their plan which supported this video features. So in here in my account it is not applicable, so that for reason I am going to use the image one. Then I will make sure this image will be a video. So let's click on inspire me, because in my mind right now I don't have any string, but let's do it. Give me a boy walking through roads, and let's click on generate images. As you can see, we already use it. We already have 491 credits and we already use one, so we have almost 419 credits. So let's click on updated image, and as you can see it is like generating the design. So here we need to be wait a while to get this result. So as you can see our result has been published. So here you can see the mistake we did, that is we did not choose the ratio, like we choose only square, but we need landscape design. So I'm going to click over here again, generate again, and it will become by my aspect ratio. So as you can see this is the design, and if I click over here now you can see this AI generated video has been come at our place, and I am going to make it as a simple video as possible. So I'm going to add some animation over that place. Just click over here, animate, and we have many like bunch of animation over that place. You can check this out one by one, which one is eligible for your design, how you want to show your design in your audience. So I'm going to check this out, or check this. Yeah, this may be good. Yeah, I'm going to choose this one, and next I think this play the design, and let's see. Yes, it looks really nice and it is really animated, that's why it feels like it is a video. So if you want to make more video with this Canva, then I want to give you some suggestion that you need to be go on the app, then search here AI video and just enter hit button, and once you hit here you can see we had depth, real AI video, synthesis AI video, subtitle AI video generator. Just click over here. Once you click over here they will give you the option to create a video. So I'm going to inspire me and let's create it. I have 0 credit, I use 1, so I don't think that I will be allowed to create an design over here. Yeah, I'm sure. So we have many more, so you need to be purchased. If you want to use these apps you just need to be purchased. You can see the pricing here. This is the pricing. You are allowed to use 3 videos by 5, use $3. So it's totally up to you if you want to use premium one. Then let's go again and search for video, AI video. Let's click this one, or you can choose this one. Here you can see this is the apps AI video maker and generate video based on a prompt. Just click on open. Once you click over here it will redirect you to the dashboard, and here I am going to, okay, I don't have any credit yet, so this was also premium. So you need to be find out that which one is free. Magic Media is totally free, so you are allowed to use it. And let's again find something that where I will be find out. Let's click on deep real AI videos and let's see is it really free or not. Select language, so type your script. Hey, subscribe my channel, hit the like button, turn, and let's click one. This may be good, and generate video 100 credits. Listen, okay, does we have any credits? I don't know, but let's do it, try it. If I have, then I will easily create this, or if I not, yeah, we already did a design. So if you want to see the sample you are allowed to see it. Just click over here.
Hi, how are you? Subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like and share with your friends.
You can see how surprising the result is. It's look like that it is totally a real person who is talking with you and telling you to subscribe our channel for this knowledgeable video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in next video with more knowledgeable video.